Good morning, everyone, and welcome. May 9th, 2025, 9:21 a.m. Trading the Nasdaq on Ninja Trader. This is PhD Trader speaking. Bonjour à tous. Le 9 mai 2025, PhD Trader. On va faire des transactions avec le Nasdaq. L'ouverture dans 9 minutes. Donc, je mets, I'm putting my, this is the opening day, so I know when we open. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna trade one account today. I just want to bring it up to as high as I can. Je vais essayer de faire un account aujourd'hui, un compte. Et je vais essayer de l'amener le plus haut que je peux. On a des nouvelles aujourd'hui. Nouvelles aujourd'hui, vendredi, à 10h, 11h30, 1h. Okay, let's look at the 5 minutes. La 5 minutes, on s'en va vers le haut. On a la 9, la 21 et la 50. La 15 minutes, on s'en va vers le haut. On a un pivot. Est-ce bien un pivot? C'est pas le pivot, c'est last week. Last week, prior week high. Ok. Et même chose pour la 1 heure, on s'en va vers le haut. Si on regarde la 1 minute ici, on va aller voir day. Ok. On a VWAP. Je vais enlever tout ce que j'ai fait ici. Ok, donc ça c'est day, donc c'est la journée. On peut voir qu'on est en montée. On arrive à la 200 et on arrive au VWAP. On peut avoir de la résistance, mais on est vraiment dans une trend up. We're on a trend up on a daily chart. Okay, guys. Let's go back on the 1 minute chart. Okay. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is down. That could be a trade right here. If I was to make a simulated trade right here. Let's see, 32. It's a very strong one. That's not a real trade I'm doing, it's just simulation. Simulation.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Maybe. CDATR 6.46. I wouldn't take that trade. No good. I'm I'm closing.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
ATR. I was going to take that trade, but look, the ATR is no good. I would have got my money. J'aurais été chercher mon argent. Long candle, right? That's why we get some momentum. I decided to close earlier. I got $35. Look on the left. But ATR 646. I'm looking for an ATR above 20 if possible. So in 3 minutes, we're gonna do let's see, 25 to, let's see, okay, this is day trading, 11:55 2 contract, apex 2. Apex 2. I'm not using this, I'm just putting it there anyway. Même si j'utilise pas mon réplicant tool. Je vais juste m'assurer que c'est le même compte que je trade, le 2. Ok, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. Ici, I've got a resistance, une résistance. This is a very big resistance, that's a 105, which is the 20 here. Looks like we're going down here. Peut-être qu'on va venir toucher la 200. Maybe we'll come and touch the 200. Opening in 1 minute. Going down, we're in an uptrend, right? See this line here that tells me I'm in an uptrend. So going against the trend, it's not a good idea, but this is the opening candle for the Nasdaq. Friday, May 9th, 2025, 9:30 a.m. 9 mai 2025, 9h30. Going up. On the daily chart, we're going up, remember. This is pretty high. We could go high, pretty good. I don't trade until 35, so I'll wait for 5 candles. This is my first one. C'est ma première chandelle. J'attends pour 4 autres chandelles avant de faire un trade. Okay. Long wick on the 5 minutes, pushing down. I put these, this is my dashboard Apex Rhythmic, just in case when I enter a trade and I need to close it, I can close it here if it's not working with the NinjaTrader. Je mets mes comptes ici avec Trader Dashboard Apex. This is a Rhythmic, what do you call it? This is called a Rhythmic Trader Pro. Et j'utilise ça juste en cas que je ne puisse pas fermer ma trade ici. Je peux la fermer ici, à gauche. OK. I'm gonna get what kind of, yeah, make sure 11:55 today, okay. Little resistance right here. Didn't go up much. Long wick, green, red, green, so I think we're going up right now. Okay, I'm looking at the 15 minutes. Je regarde la 5 minutes, la 15. We got a last week high. 245, 2, 4, 5. Looking at the 1 minute. Je regarde la 1 minute. If it close above, may go in here to catch some momentum. Having a hard time to go up. See, that's not too strong, to be honest with you. C'est pas très fort pour être honnête avec vous. And the reason it's because of this one here. Look on the right, 5 minutes chart. And that's 68, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I think it will go up. But I don't really like it, so I'm not gonna take it. Je l'aime pas, donc je prendrai pas. I think I would have got it. 13 ATR, not that good. Wait a little bit. ATR is at 13.07, 13.07. I like the ATR to be above 15, and at the least au moins 15 much, much, much better at 20. So if I did get in here, that was 65. 71, 6 points, I would have got my $110. Okay. We just got across the 9th and the 21, the 50. Once we pass this, we should be fine. Yep. Doesn't really want to go up too quickly. Let's see, we've been coming up, looking at the 5 minutes since 11 o'clock last night. We've been coming up. Depuis 11h hier matin. Depuis 11h hier matin qu'on est on va vers le haut, that we're going up. This is 2286. We're getting there. Look at the top. This is it. This one here. See this? Vous voyez ici les points bleus? Right here. Donc it's a resistance. Maybe consolidation for a while, peut-être. On va aller à l'horizontale pendant un bout de temps. Consolidation. So far, let's see. L'alarme de 9h40, the alarm of 9:40. Am I in an uptrend or no? Pretty strong candle.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Premier trade, 105. Okay, I could have got this one here. It went all the way down here. So from here to here, that's probably a couple $100 easy. Oh, I'm going to show you something here. Data series, all the way down. Markers with text and markers, apply, okay. Text and markers, so it shows me I got in there and I got out there. See, got in here. Entry at 2247.5, exit, target. That's how I got my $105. C'est comme ça que j'étais chercher mon $105 ici. Or I can go there, again, data series, all the way down, text and markers, markers only. Just the markers so I can see. So I don't have too much on my chart. Pour éliminer l'encombrage sur mon tableau. Juste les flèches pour me dire où j'ai fait ma dernière trade. Enter, see the pink, blue, exit, sell, buy. That tells me I'm going to be going down, but I'm not doing it right now. 2, 4. It went down, yeah, below. 5 candles. $105, dangerous. Going down here, touching the 20. Look at the 5 minutes. A 5 minute, I'm touching the 20. I don't think I'm gonna take it. I need one more candle. Look at the 5 minutes. It's touching the 20. The 21 here is the 105 right here on the 1 minute. Okay, this is 45. This is a candle of 45. Look, I gotta put it down. This is my 15-minute range. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we gonna keep going down? Maybe. I'm usually up at 7 o'clock a.m. in front of my computer and start practicing. Habituellement, je me lève à 7 heures, je suis devant mon écran, puis je commence à faire de la pratique. Un bon 2 heures de pratique avant de commencer la journée. A good 2 hours of practice before starting the day. That's me. And at night, I do a good hour, 2 hours. So, un total d'environ 4 heures de pratique par jour. About 4 hours a day practice, Saturday and Sunday as well. Go to 5, we're bouncing on the 50. Here we're bouncing on the 9. Look at the 1 hour. Regardez la 1 heure. Still going up. A little more flat here. Okay. So when you look at the 15 minutes, it's really telling you more what's the big picture, right? This is very, very detailed. So a lot of noise. Beaucoup de bruit ici. But we're using the 1 minute, on utilise 1 minute to take a trade, to go get 2.75 points. But we're looking at the 15, the 5, and the 1 hour. Look, we have the 9, the 21, 9 cross, the 50, La 9, elle a croisé la 50, elle a croisé la 21. $9.50. This is a trend down, showing a trend down. And this is the 21. See, we started going down. 905. We did go back up above the 9. Now the 9. I'd like to see the 21 below the 20, the 50, you know. J'aimerais voir le 21 en dessous de la 50, so I think we're going to go back up. Right? The 21 is above the 50. If we're going back down, the 21 would have been right between the 50 and the 9. Si on était pour s'en aller vers le bas, la 21 qui est la bleue sur la 1 minute sera entre la blanche et la jaune. La blanche à 50, la jaune à 9. Okay, let's see the 15 minutes. Look at this long wick we touched there. Maybe we're gonna go revisit up there. Peut-être qu'on va les revisiter en haut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the opening range. La jaune ici, yellow to yellow. That's the opening 15-minute opening range. Opening range is the candle on the first 15 minutes with the wick the highest, which is this one here, and the wick the lowest, which is this one. Oh, 9:30. Yeah, should be right here. All right, 15 minutes. I go to 45. Oh no, 45 was lower than that. Right here. 45. Okay, that's my opening range. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Everything looks good. Try to avoid messing up. J'essaie de ne pas faire d'erreur, minimiser mes erreurs. Regardez mes... Look at your chart, regardez vos tableaux. 1 hour going up. 15 minutes looks like we're going up. 5 minutes looks like we're going up. 7, 6, all right. 9:50, 10 minutes we have news. Long wick. trying to tell me we're going up. Les wicks sont très longs, vers le haut, sur la 1 minute. The hour, we got long wick. The hour looks like we're going consolidation. So is the 15 minutes. So is the 5. So consolidation, right? Next week, I'll be traveling, so I won't be able to trade. La semaine prochaine, je vais voyager, donc je pourrai pas faire de trading. Je vais revenir donc le lundi suivant. Wow, look at this. Big move.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled.
Okay. I think I double press it, I would think. I'm at 315. It was a quick trade here. I was close to VWAP. J'étais très près de VWAP. Less than 10 points. Yeah. 207, 202. J'étais à 5 points environ. Well, 209 when I got in. And VWAP was 202. 7 points. J'étais à 7 points de distance de mon entrée à VWAP. Usually I wait for, usually I'm looking for 10 points minimum. Habituellement, j'attends pour avoir au moins 10 points. J'en avais 7 ici. I had 7 instead of 10. Why did I go in? Look, that big candle here. Look at the red, big red. So I knew they had some juice left. Je savais qu'il en restait un peu d'énergie. That's why I took it. 5 minutes. Long wick pushing back up. Resistance right here. Look at my cursor. Look at the resistance. Resistance here, there. Look, there, close there, close there. So this is important, this one here. I need to go above. And then I got another resistance here. $17.32, not bad. I was at 22. Wait a minute. 16. A lot of traffic here. 9, 21.50. And I've got my 105 behind right here. J'ai la 105, la 21, la 50, la 9. They all together. What does it mean quand elles sont tous ensemble? What does it mean when they're all together? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire quand elles sont tous ensemble? When all my EMAs, exponential moving average, They're all together. It means that it's consolidating, right? Look, it's consolidating. It's going sideways, sideways, sideways. So it's gaining energy, and then boom, it's going to go up or it's going to go down. Ça gagne de l'énergie pour l'instant et très bientôt, it could last 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 2 hours. We don't know. But éventuellement, ça va passer vers 3 minutes before 10 o'clock. News at 10. So we don't trade right now. Right in the range, on est en plein dans le range. I should put the range up here if I have it, I hope. I don't have to trace those lines all the time. Je l'ai pas. Il va falloir que je trace mes lignes. Okay, so let's do this one here. Let's get another one. There. Double click. Line. Yellow. I'm going to do 2 so it's not too thick. Look at this here. Okay, and this one. Yellow, 57 seconds. And I was at 22 to 1. 22 to 1. This one looks pretty. And this one is what? 2280. 2280. It's right here. Alright. See, I got some momentum right here, but this is tough here. How many points? 56. 59. Needs to go down if you want me to go in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Order submitted.
It's going down. I got some momentum here. That's some momentum. It's going, should be going up. You see, I kind of knew it was hard here. The yellow seems it's passing up a little bit.
Target filled.
Okay, I'm at 425. 1, 2, 3. That was nerve-wracking. C'était assez énervant. I didn't like that. J'ai pas aimé ça. And this is what I have to try to avoid. You don't want to do crap like this. Huh? See here, I said it. Je l'ai dit qu'il y avait beaucoup de résistance ici. Regardez le long wick. The long wick here. Hold on, I need to show you this so you guys don't do it. Okay. That's the line I'm looking at. This line. Look. Resistance. Resistance. Support. Resistance. You know, that's why I had such a hard time. I got in here and look at that. Not fun. I got in here and I closed there. 2.5 points. That could be a good one here. But I didn't focus. I'm not going to get it. Oh no, I can't look. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 5 candles. Cross is here. 9, 21, 50. Getting close to red line here. This is the middle of the range, which is not the best to trade. C'est pas le meilleur pour faire un trade. Quand on est dans le milieu du range, all you know, you do Fibonacci here like this. And then you just trace a line at the 50. I put it white, jamais blanche habituellement. Snow. See the white one here? Tells me right, this is the middle of my range. Because why do I put this? Because often it goes to the middle, from the bottom to the middle and go down, and from the top to the middle and goes down. Alright, do I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, 5 chandelles. Shows it wants to go up here. Look, 5 minutes wants to go up. Yeah, with resistance at 2276. 2276, yeah, around there. Big down, big down. Wow, this is big. Do I want to take this? No. No. Why? 200, the 1000 is a 200 right here. This one here. And look where it closed. Vous voyez où elle a fermé? See where it closed? It went all the way down, it closed there. So we're still moving up, I think. The safest bet right now is to wait until we move above the range. Le moins risqué, c'est d'attendre qu'on passe ça ici. There's still a trade. Il y a une trade qu'on peut faire ici. Peut-être. long wick, look, under 15 minutes, the 1 hour, 5 minutes. All right. See how it went down? Don't like that. J'aime pas ça quand ça fait ça. We're getting close to this. Oof, it's moving fast. 18 ATR. Oof, look at that, how it went down. 5 seconds, you see that? We're not ready yet. And something I'm not sure, quelque chose que je suis pas certain. See that long wick here, it's showing it's going down. I'm always tempted to get in after we pass that wick. Je suis toujours tenté de rentrer après qu'on ait passé le wick ici. I did enter in the past, let's say in the middle of the wick, and I was okay. But that scares me, ça me fait peur. Le long wick qui descend, qui me dit que we're selling, selling, selling. Mais je suis rentré auparavant, même au milieu du wick pour aller vers le haut, puis ça a fonctionné. But it's risky, it's, you know, it's not clean. They're not clean trades for me, c'est pas des transactions propres. Celles que j'aime prendre, il y a pas de confusion, moins de risque. Less risky. This is kind of risky right now. This tells me it's going to go up, but this... I don't know. No, this wick here should be below, and this one should be about on the bottom here. Ce wick-ci devrait être en dessous de la verte, et ce wick ici devrait être en dessous du wick de la verte. Consolidation, look on the left. We're going sideways. 5 minutes. We've been going sideways for a while, right? It's me. I didn't put my 9:30. Look, that's what we've done so far. 40 minutes. 40 minutes, 4:25 so far. Usually Friday afternoon can be good. Le vendredi après-midi, ça peut être bon aussi. But I'm not going to be trading this afternoon. I have an appointment. J'ai rendez-vous à 1h, donc je pourrais pas faire de trading cet après-midi. ATR 15, not that good. J'aime avoir un ATR de 20 at least, de 20. Minutes. Patience, patience. We're at a cross here at 10 o'clock. Been up. Looks like we're going back down. You see. But last 5 minutes, the 5 minute tells me we're still. Look, the yellow is pointing up. The blue is pointing up. The white is pointing up. VWAP pointing up. 200 pointing up. Pointing up. This is a 15 minutes, pretty much the same thing. But look at this here. On the 15, you see VWAP cross the 50. Look, VWAP really crossed the 50 on the 1 hour. VWAP crossed the 21, I'm sorry. On the 15, it crossed the 50. On the hour, it did a while ago. Now it's the 20. All right. This is actually good information. C'est de bonne information. Regardez ici, la 5. Puis la 50 est VWAP. OK? La 15. VWAP passe par-dessus la 50. La 1 heure, VWAP, elle a passé par-dessus la 50. Là, elle a passé par-dessus la 20. What does it tell me? Pretty soon it's going to pass over the yellow. Hein? On dirait que VWAP va passer au-dessus de la jaune bien vite. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Ça veut dire qu'on s'en va vers le bas. That's what it means. C'est ça que ça veut dire. So it means that we're going towards the bottom if VWAP passes the yellow. Si VWAP ici passe la jaune, ça veut dire qu'on s'en va vers le bas. 200 is over there. I could be wrong. I may be right. Peut-être raison, peut-être tort. 105. Just the 20 on the 5. Sideways, sideways. 10-15. Come on, Nasdaq, tell me where you're going. One that could... No, I don't like that. You want... I like to see a couple of candles. Just one like this? I don't know about that. J'aime voir plusieurs. See, let's see if I can show you. See, I got 1, 2, 3 big candles. I barely got that when I was so close to VWAP. Ici, c'est seulement que here I only have one big candle. Nine crossed the 21. Looks like it's going down. My trend line says I'm still up. Look on the 5. it's pushing down now. This line here, it's a support. See how it stopped right there? Because of, look, stop. Right there, stop. Stop here. That's my 1000 here, the white one. Let's see. We passed it barely. That should be yeah. Minutes. 15 minutes. Down a little bit. 1 hour. How many points? I got 10, 16 to 9. 7 points is not enough. Too close. Hmm. 2, 1, it's going down, no? Very close. 5. What's this? I could have got that. Wait a minute. That's my. Okay. See what it is. Now it's. Je ne sais pas ce que je vais faire ici. If it closed below here, I could probably take it. Went up to VWAP, stopped at VWAP. Stopped at VWAP. Looks like it's going down. Got a bunch of red, so we got some momentum.
Order submitted. Target filled.
535. C'est 135. Okay. 1021. Looks like. What do we have? Look at this. Regardez le 5 minutes. 2092. 2098. 192. Alright, look at this, guys. 5 minutes. Regardez le 5 minutes. Mon curseur. What do you see? 2192.5, right? On that dotted red here. 2192.5. Look at the end of the tick here. 2190. 2.5 is right there, right here. I need 5 candles. All I'm doing constantly is I'm looking at all those lines here. I'm trying to see, is it going to be support or resistance? Support when it goes down, resistance when we go up. Tout ce que je fais ici, c'est que je regarde toutes mes lignes et je décide si ça va être un support ou une résistance. Un support quand on descend et une résistance quand on monte. That's all I'm doing. C'est tout ce que je fais. I'm a slow learner, okay? So, and believe me, I've done my share of training, I think, but I can't stop because I think I'm starting to understand a little bit. Donc, je vais pas arrêter, right? I'm not going to stop now that after all this training, practicing. That's all it is, practice, practice, practice. That's all, nothing else. More you practice, more you understand. You're going to ask me, hey, why are you doing this like this, streaming for free, or you give it all? Why? I used to be a high school teacher a long time ago. And when you teach something, that's when you learn the best. I'm serious. For me, anyway. So teaching what you're doing. You know what? I need to do another. I want to do 04. Yeah, maybe I can do one more. Let me do 04. So we're going down 2176, 77. See this red line here on the 5 minutes segment? Resistance, support, support, support. Look, this is what we have, support. This red line here. So I know it's a tough one here. I'm going to show you. This line here is actually this line here. See? $156 sounds like ounces. It passed it. Ça l'a passé.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay. I went and got all the money here. Bring it up. Waiting for 3 candles here.
Order submitted. Target filled.